Next principle of business strategy is failure. Failure is traditionally not considered something positive or important in any business strategy or in life for that matter. But failure has tremendous significance in the success of any business strategy. It is important while implementing, designing your business strategy that you be as ambitious, as full of dreams as you can. Envision courageously your dreams, because your dreams are a manifestation of the eternal divine inside you. It is the eternal flow of life, the eternal intelligence that gives you your dreams. And so courageously manifest your dreams, your visions into the present and into the future, leaving the past behind. But as you do this, these dreams and these visions are manifested through you as a human being, and the human mind has limitations. It is a tiny entity as compared to the entire vast cosmic intelligence, the vast flow of life and existence all around us. And to that extent, it is always possible that the manifestation of this vision or of the dream is also limited. So yes, you always manifest your dreams and your visions and your plans into the future with the intention of success. But at the same time, it is very important to acknowledge that when at times you will succeed, there is also a majority of times when you will be faced with failure. Now, this failure has a negative connotation in all of our life and all of business strategy. But in reality, when your efforts are failing, that is what you mean by failure. In reality, when your efforts are failing, the efforts of existence, the efforts of the supreme intelligence, cosmic intelligence all around you are succeeding, and they are succeeding for you. The only reason that we associate negativity to failure, or we associate pain and suffering to failure, is because we relate to failure through our ego and not through an open feeling of acceptance and by looking at it openly. And when we associate with failure through ego, then the obvious questions are that you face. Why did my efforts fail? Why did the outcome not go exactly as I wanted it to be? What was it that I did wrong? It is all about I and about the ego. Though in reality, if you give it some time and if you closely observe the process of failure, then the outcomes that are presented, manifested through failure are more often than not far better, far superior, far more intelligent and harmonious than the original outcomes of success that you had predicted or expected. And so in reality, the times where you will be faced with failure will be far greater as compared to the times where you will be presented with success. And in reality, the actual success that you will achieve through these acts of failure will be far higher, far more superior as compared to what you name or consider as success. And so it is important to give proper significance, proper power and energy to your actions, to your deeds, to your manifestation of vision and dreams into your here and now, present, and into your future, and leave the success and failure equation to something higher than you. And many a times you see that, apart from a few exceptions, whether you consider it success or failure, for the alignment of your business strategy, for the future growth of your business strategy, through both success and failure, in reality, your outcomes are always towards growth and success, more and more, forever. And hence it is very important to dissociate yourself from this negative connotation of failure, and to be able to be in a state of acceptance and gratitude, both about failure as well as about success. In fact, more about failure than about success, because when your efforts are failing, at that time actually the efforts of the entire existence around you are succeeding, and they are succeeding far more for you than your efforts alone could ever have succeeded.